How do I remove someone from my iPhone hotspot?
Hello, welcome to our video tutorial. Today, we're going to guide you through how to remove someone from your iPhone hotspot. It's a simple process, and we will guide you step by step.
What is an iPhone hotspot?
The iPhone's personal hotspot feature allows you to share your cellular data connection with other devices. However, you might sometimes need to limit the devices connected to your hotspot for various reasons, such as preserving data usage or maintaining network speed.
How can I see who is connected to my hotspot?
To see the devices connected to your hotspot, 1. Go to Settings on your iPhone. 2. Tap on Cellular. 3. Scroll down and tap on Personal Hotspot. 4. Here, you can see the devices connected to your hotspot under the Connected Devices section.
How can I remove someone from my hotspot?
The iPhone does not have a feature to specifically kick a device off your hotspot. However, you can effectively remove someone from your hotspot by changing your hotspot password. This will disconnect all currently connected devices and prevent them from reconnecting unless you provide them the new password. Here are the steps. 1. Go to Settings on your iPhone. 2. Tap on Personal Hotspot. 3. Tap on Wi-Fi password. 4. Enter a new password and tap on Done. Remember, the new password should follow the general guidelines for a secure password. It should be at least 8 characters long and include a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols.
How can I prevent unauthorized access in the future?
To prevent unauthorized devices from connecting to your hotspot in the future, you can 1. Make sure your hotspot is turned off when not in use. 2. Regularly change your hotspot password. 3. Only share your hotspot password with people you trust. We hope this video has been helpful in showing you how to effectively manage your iPhone's hotspot connections. By changing your password and limiting access, you can have better control over who uses your cellular data through the personal hotspot feature. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next tutorial.